Hello, in this video I will show you how to create Twitter application. So it's a very easy process. So open the application. So over here you'll have two options. You can continue with Google or you can click on create account. So I'm going to choose the second option over here. Now after that, just simply enter your name, your phone number or email address and then your date of birth. Remember you will have the option to change use phone or use email right over here. So make sure to choose whichever you want to use. So after you've completed the process, just simply click on next. Now a code have been sent to you on that particular email. So just simply go ahead and check your inbox. So as you can see, this is the code that I just received. Now all you have to do is just simply copy this code. Then go back to the application and paste your code right over here. Then click on next. And now enter a secure password right over here. After that, just simply click on next. Now, if you want to save your password, you can obviously do that. Then it's time to add your profile picture. So just simply click on upload and upload your profile picture from your camera roll. And if you want to skip this part, just simply choose skip for now at the bottom left corner. Now, choose your username over here. So just simply write whatever username you want. And then you will also be suggested few usernames right below over here. And if you click on see more, you will be able to see more usernames that you can use. So just simply pick any of your usernames or just simply write a username for yourself and then click on next. Now click on continue. Then choose allow. Now over here, you will be given a few suggestions. So if you want to follow them, you can do that or click on next over here at the bottom right. Then just simply choose the language that you speak. And after that, click on next. Now over here in this option, just simply follow any random person and then click on next. And after that, your account is made. So there are a few more settings that you can tweak, but the account creation part is complete. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.